What is God like? If I ascend up into heaven, thou art there. Psalm chapter 139 verse 8. I believe it is possible to know what God is like. The Bible declares that God is spirit, that he is not limited to body. He is not limited to shape. He is not limited to force. He is not limited to boundaries or bonds. He is absolutely immeasurable. Thousands of people are trying to limit God to certain spheres, and relegate him to certain categories that are the product of their own speculation. There is no limit to God. There is no limit to his wisdom. There is no limit to his power. There is no limit to his love. There is no limit to his mercy. Men change, fashions change, conditions and circumstances change, but God never changes. Prayer for the day. I limit you so many times, Lord. Forgive my finite mind and fill me with your wisdom, power, and mercy, so that I can touch those you love this day.